It's not just about the physical benefits, but mental too. In this video, I'm going to show you how a healthy diet improved my concentration and mental capacity with an easy-to-follow meal plan. Hi, I wanted to share with you what it was like for me when I switched from eating fast food all day long to eating a healthier diet. You know that feeling when your brain feels foggy? Like there are constant thoughts racing through your head? Well, that's because our brains need oxygenated blood flowing through them in order for us to think properly. With a proper diet, we can slow down those thoughts so we can focus on one thing at a time instead of getting. A nutritious, well-balanced diet has several advantages for your brain and can help you maintain good focus. Our attention levels dip as we go about our day, making our task more difficult and draining than it need be. When eating a healthy diet, you can maintain a high level of concentration and always have the mental resources you need to work effectively and productively. A healthy diet will also improve your memory and cognitive function as you age. Good nutrition is essential for a sharp mind, and eating the right foods can help stave off age-related mental decline. So if you're looking to improve your concentration, focus, and overall mental capacity, make sure you're eating a healthy, well-balanced diet. Besides eating healthy, there are other lifestyle choices you can make that will also help improve your concentration and mental function. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your brain's health. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which delivers vital nutrients and oxygen that keeps cells healthy and functioning properly. We have also shown regular exercise to boost cognitive function, improve memory, and protect against age-related mental decline. If you want to improve your concentration and mental capacity, make sure you're eating a healthy diet and getting regular exercise. These lifestyle choices will help keep your mind sharp and focused for years to come.